Persona creation. This is about really finding out who your user is, their name, their age, their location, and you have to know a lot of details about them, other descriptions as well. Okay, so if you think about it, it's kind of like filling out your form. I'm in a library right now. Every time you sign up for a library like this, you have to give your name, age, and location, and other details as well. So it's very, very similar to that. That you find out who is this person, what is their age, and what is their location. Why name, age, and location? Because that determines a lot of information, and you can focus on a particular type of users. The name probably reveals the gender of this person, because one particular gender may behave in a certain way with respect to usage of a product or service. So we are trying to figure out if it's a woman, they probably interact with the product or service in a different way compared to a man who would interact with that. Age, because a 10-year-old behaves very differently than a 20-year-old behaves very differently than a 30-year-old. Okay? And then location is important. For example, I'm right now in Chennai. People here may interact with the product and service very, very differently. The story may be completely different from a person who is in, say, Ladakh. So we have variations of these that you will find. Okay, so we are really trying to find out about the person and get all their description. We call it ethnographic information. We're trying to find out their information. So we will give an example of this, how to do this, and what's an example or a good example of finding out this ethnographic information of name, age, and location.